Okay, I have some very exciting news. Ever since I moved here 3.5 years ago, I had in my master plan that I was going to be juried into the Center for Craft and Design, the Cape Breton Center for Craft and Design. And what that means is I'm a professional member of the association and I can sell my work there in their gift shop, which is a beautiful high quality gift shop. And it also allows me to be featured in this. So this is the Artisan Trail Map. So what that means is there's a map inside of Cape Breton and it shows the locations of many different artisans and crafters all across the island. So I finally did it. I put in my application. I needed to choose some work of mine, so I chose some of my best pieces, and I had to write in my biography and my background and answer a bunch of questions, and I did it. My work was accepted with no conditions, and so the jury process was successful. So I'm very excited, and I'm in the newest pamphlet. And check this out. Number 2. There I am. So this is really exciting. And what this means is people are now coming to my studio and purchasing things, which is very exciting. I can work in my loom room and paint, weave, all that, and people just come in the door and are able to wander around and check things out and make a purchase. So this is very exciting. So far I've had some weavers come and some people who are interested in Viking things and a few others. So I'm so excited. It's always been my dream to have my own studio where people will come in and see what I do and make a purchase if they feel like it. So, and I have a second exciting announcement. As most of you know, I both weave and paint. And when I first started my YouTube channel, I was not sure really the direction it was going to go. And the idea was to show what I do here in my studio. And I weave and I paint. And the idea was to show customers how their creations were made. So I made sure to show some drawing and some weaving. And what I found looking at my analytics on YouTube is that I mainly have weavers watching, which is great. Welcome. And as a result, the painting is not the most popular thing on my channel. In fact, I have found that people are unsubscribing when I post one of my drawing or painting videos. Now, drawing and painting is very dear to my heart, and I still want to keep doing that. And I don't want to drop it completely. So what I've done, the big announcement, ta-da, is I've started a second YouTube channel. And it will be purely for drawing and painting, urban sketching, going on field trips, and the drawings that I make from that. And I know that there are people who are only interested in that, so there's a channel for that. And then there's this channel which will stay mainly dyeing yarn and weaving projects. So I'm hoping that will make everybody happy. The link to the new channel is, I'll put it in an iCard. Is that there? There. It'll pop up in the editing process. The name of that channel is Carrie Fell Artist. Keep it simple. And I'll be posting my drawing videos on that channel. And that's starting today. There's a brand new sketchbook tour up on that channel. So if that's of interest to you, head on over, subscribe. And if your interest is in weaving and dyeing, then stay right here and stay tuned, and I'll be posting more of those videos too. So, open for business. Welcome to my studio. Come on in. So inside the front door, we're greeted with some paintings. A Viking painting right off the start. And some racks of weaving. Here's a corner with scarves and some cowls. Down here are my V cowls. Some painted warps. Bags. Paintings. Shelf with some extras. Oh, the sun is strong today. So my runners are down here on this shelf. And a few extra cowls. Here's my mug rugs. Some of the ones we saw in the videos. I have one of that one left. A few Viking hats. My loom with the ever-present tablet weave on it. And I'm still working on putting together this wall here. So if you're ever in the area, come by and visit me. The link to my other YouTube channel is in the description below. Thank you for watching.